How to fix Epic Games not launching in your device. For this first step, you need to restart your device. After restart, open up Epic Game Launcher, click Library option, click the three dot icon, click Manage and click Verify Files. Wait for some time because it's actually verifying your game file. If there is any corrupted file having means it will rectify it. After completing, one more time click the three dot icon, click Manage, click Installation folder, click Fortnite Game, Binary, Win64, EC Anti-Cheat and double click the EC Anti-Cheat setup. Do it for 2 to 3 times. It should run like this. After that, close it and come to next step. Run Epic Game Launcher as administrator. Right click Epic Game Launcher, click Properties, click Compatibility and run the program as administrator. Enable it, click Apply and OK. After come to next step, click Settings, click App Settings, click Install App. Scroll down, search for Microsoft Visual C++. If you're having the older version means you need to go to the official website of Microsoft to download and install the latest version. If you're already having the latest version means click the three dot icon, click Modify and click Repair. Do it for both 64 and 86 bit. Once complete, after close it and come to next step. Search for Run and type the following text: percentage local app data percentage. Click OK. Scroll down and search for Epic Game Launcher folder. Click it. Click Saved folder. Click Web Cache and delete it. Restart your device. Thank you.